me say you favorite up it, so girl favorite up it, so girl favorite up it, so girl favorite up it, so what? Lyrics talker, gimmicks one. That's why they to the back leaving. So the G can will creep before you walk. That's why they to the back leaving. So the G can to the back leaving. Just a come like a nuclear.
Hello friends, this is Kanshil. Again here to show you a beautiful masterpiece of exhaust from SS. Okay, so this is the second exhaust in this month which we are showing you. It is a full system custom exhaust with brass tips, as you can see. So when we are talking about this exhaust, these are made from stainless steel. These are built by Kanshil Custom Moto. As you can see over here, our branding is done. Okay, and these are out of SS stainless steel, and we have custom built it. So it is our homegrown design for QJ motors. Let us know if you need another exhaust set for QJ motors. We will provide you with the same. So let's see how it sounds. I hope you like the sound. Tell us in the comments below. Thank you. Signing off.